I'm here in Cardiff, Wales, and so today in this video I'm going to share with you my top places to explore in Cardiff. So let's go. Alright guys, so I'm right in front of Cardiff Castle. There's this beautiful arcade in front of it, which we are going to visit in a while, but before that, let's get inside the castle. And the best part is that it is right at the heart of Cardiff. Okay. I have to purchase the tickets, which I'm gonna do on ad hoc basis. And it seems like there's some event going on over here. So let's check out the event. But before that, I need to purchase the tickets. So the ticket office. Alrighty, so I've got my ticket here, which I purchased for $16.50. And now I'm not sure where I am heading, but oh wow, I can see the castle from here and it looks beautiful. This is their in-house restaurant. Some restoration work going on. The best part is that you can bring your pets in here. Alrighty, so behind me is this sculpture they've made for Gareth Bale. I mean, of course, when you're here, you'll not be able to miss it. You can see the castle behind me, but this entire area is like so nice. I mean, there are so many events going on over here at the moment. Seems like they've decked it up for some kind of a concert, and probably during Christmas or New Year's they do some events over here. So looks like a busy place, but then at the same time, at the moment, it is quite calm. There are not too many people, so I'm glad that I visited this place in the afternoon. So it's around 2 in the afternoon, which is why it's like so quiet and nice. And it's not that warm, to be honest, so that way as well. From visiting hours perspective, I picked the right time. And that over there is the castle, guys. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पे. पीछे मेरी वॉल है जो आपकी सिटी सेंटर से थोड़ा इसको सेक्लूड करती है. और उसके अलावा यहाँ पे इनका अपना इन हाउस रेस्टोरेंट है. पीछे कासल तो आप देख ही रहे हो. There are too many things for me to explore over here. So let's start with the wall first, and I will show you the view from there. Let's get there. बड़ा GOT वाला फील आ रहा है अभी मुझे. You've seen that wall in Croatia. Sorry. That's alright. It's more so like that. Shed है, वो बढ़िया चीज़ है. The covered wall है, unlike the famous wall, the Land's End, if you're GOT follower or lover. इस टाइप की कुछ है, काफ़ी सुंदर है. The stone ruins. Can't see anything out there. कुछ castle का नज़ारा यहाँ से. To be honest, all of this is what I'm not liking. शुरू में मुझे लगा कि अच्छा है, चलो कुछ इवेंट हो रहा है, probably I'll get to see something. But अभी मैं ये सब देख रही हूँ तो मुझे लग रहा है कि ये इतना सारा कुछ ऐसी हिस्टोरिकल जगह में आपने ये लगा दिया है तो वो ब्लॉक कर रही है उसके व्यू को फर्स्टली, एंड सेकेंडली मतलब ब्यूटी को थोड़ा ख़राब कर रही है उसकी, to be honest. But it is what it is. Economy has to survive. They need to organize these events, and events यहाँ पे जब होते होंगे तो उसमें भी अलग मज़ा आता होगा. तो it's a mix and match of both the worlds. So that way I understand as to why these things are here. चलिए अब कासल की ओर चलते हैं हम लोग. This is the famous clock tower, you guys. बड़ी ही पीसफुल सी जगह है. Alright guys, so Cardiff Castle is 2000 years old. From Roman occupation to Norman conquest to Victorian transformation and World War II, this castle has seen everything. So it's gonna be interesting to step inside the castle. So let's get in there. Now that people are coming out from the castle, I can probably go there. So they actually used to stay here. Okay, you can see the stadium from here. Back in those days, these windows were made so that they're alert about any dangers that are oncoming and approaching. Climbing the minaret. Guys, so from the top you get the panoramic views of the city. So this is the city view, and you can also see the Principality Stadium. The best view is on the opposite side, where you've got Cardiff Cathedral and there's Red Castle as well.
Da haben die gestern Cricket gespielt.
Somewhere there.
Das Riesenrad, genau, das war ein Hotel. तोप रखी हुई है यहाँ पे गाइस, तोप। इमेजिन मैं इसके सामने जाऊँ और ये मुझे तोप से उड़ा दे। Look at this area, you guys. It is so cute. These are some sort of cabanas, probably a restaurant. Wow. These are the wartime tunnels utilized during World War II. Alrighty, I'm getting inside the wartime shelter, guys. It's very noisy during that time. World War II में इन टनल्स के अंदर लोग रह रहे थे। देख सकते हो कितना स्कैरी है। नीचे से ही ऊपर पहुंच गई हूँ मैं। There was a staircase. It is so much fun, you guys. मतलब इतना मज़ा आ रहा है ना, मुझे लग रहा है कि वाह, इतने फ्रीडम के साथ मैं अपना टाइम लेके पूरा एक्सप्लोर कर रही हूँ कासल को। क्या बताऊँ, you need 3-4 hours to explore this place. You can be quicker as well, and you can take more time than that as well, because there's so much to do, and you can basically have a picnic over here. You can explore these areas at your own pace, which is what I am doing. So I've planned to stay here for another 1 hour and then I'll get going. जो दुब्रोवनिक में वॉल है, लैंड्स एंड NGOT, उसकी तरह ये फील दे रहा है। ऑल्दो आई मीन ऑब्वियसली उसकी बात बहुत अलग है, क्योंकि वो पूरा सी लाइन पे है, सी कोस्ट पे है, सी से सराउंडेड है, बट ये भी काफ़ी स्पेशल है और काफ़ी प्यारा लग रहा है। और आराम से आप अपना वॉक करके एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो इस जगह को। इतनी भीड़ नहीं है और गार्डन्स भी हैं आसपास, तो आप वहाँ भी घूम सकते हो, बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो। जैसे कि मैं आराम से अपना पूरा टाइम पास करते हुए स्पेंड कर रही हूँ डे अपना यहाँ। That over there is the Trebule. मैं अभी हूँ माउंट पे, और ये एक एरिया हुआ करता था एक ज़माने में जहाँ पे संडेज़ को सिविलियंस अलाउड होते थे वॉक करने के लिए। तो यहाँ से आपका बहुत ही बढ़िया व्यू आता है कार्डिफ कासल। That building was used as banqueting hall and dining room. मैं और मेरी पिस्ताचियो अक्सर ये बात करते हैं, ब्रेक ले लेना चाहिए। इट्स हॉट टुडे सो कार्डिफ कासल के अलावा कार्डिफ फेमस है अपने विक्टोरियन शॉपिंग आर्केड्स के लिए, जिनमें से एक है सेंट मैरीज स्ट्रीट में कासल क्वार्टर आर्केड्स। This beautiful covered walkway is full of independent cafes, vintage stores, bakeries, and local businesses. And unlike many cities, Cardiff has managed to preserve its historic charm while still feeling modern. Alrighty guys, so I ended up here at this restaurant called as Banana Tree, and look who is here. Somebody really special has joined me.
It's me, and it should be me. No one else can take this place. It's fine, I don't need it.
You don't need
My
it.
voice
Your
is-
voice is like buland awaz. And I'm having a sip of 1-star martini. Now, to cleanse the palate, I'm gonna have a sip of bubbly. Oh, sorry. Some fresh coriander. It's raining cats and dogs. What a surprise. Viva Las Vegas! Apart from hundreds of restaurants and cafes dotted around the city, Cardiff has plenty of great food spots to explore. And if you have a little more time, तो आप explore कर सकते हो Llandaff Cathedral, which is one of Wales' most beautiful historic landmarks. या फिर विजिट कर सकते हो Coyote Ugly Saloon, which is inspired by the iconic movie Coyote Ugly. Well, हमने अपना डे एंड किया on a sweet note. We stopped by Amorino, the Italian gelato parlor famous for its beautiful flower-shaped ice cream.
तेरा ही मेरा?
Yours.
क्या नाम है इसका?
Dulce de leche.
Fun fact, Amorino means little cupid in Italian, making it the perfect place to end a lovely day exploring Cardiff.
Normally.
Train भी आ गई उस टाइम. This is our home sweet home, guys, for tonight. And for tomorrow. Alright, guys, so we are back in the hotel. So before coming here, we went to Tesco Extra to buy some extra stuff. बहुत कुछ लाए हैं, बहुत कुछ खत्म हो गया था. Face wash, shampoo, conditioner, lot of things. ये सब चीज़ें हमने सोचा कि हमें यहीं से लेनी चाहिए rather than stocking everything up in our bags. तो बस यही है कुछ हाल अभी. अब करते हैं चेंज. बहुत लंबा दिन हो गया, especially मेरे लिए. लेकिन कोई नहीं, कल hopefully we will get to enjoy some sunshine for Netflix and chill, guys. You got a friend.